Hi everyone, I am S. Vijayalakshmi working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the introduction to generative AI in generative AI. Before going to this session, um, and we know that artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machine and that are programmed to think, act, and make decisions. So traditional AI systems are mainly rule based and are predictive based, meaning that it analyze the existing data and provide the uh, outputs such as classifications or predictions. For example, spam detection, face recognition, etc. Then, however, these systems don't create new content, but the limitation is to the or it gives the development of Gen AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content by using text, images, audios, videos, code, and more. It learns patterns from large data sets and uses the knowledge to generate the original outputs. That is, we resemblance as human created work. Objective of this session, in the end of the session we know the humans to come up with the new ideas and solve problems to help people be more creative and get work done faster by generating ideas and content, and also to act as a smart systems that can make new things like stories, pictures, or musics. And then, what is generative AI? And then the generative AI can produce creating new original content that can analyze the existing data, and also it can produce so many codes, videos, music, speech, etc. It learns from patterns we know. So the AI tools we use as ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, Google, etc., etc. Then, how does generative AI works? Generative AI works through the three main phases. First one is the large volumes of structured and unstructured data are collected. Example, text, documents, images, videos, and also code repositories. These are that. And then I going to the training phase. These text, images, speech all feed into the training model, and using machine learning and deep learning algorithms learns from this. We create a pattern, grammar, and styles, relationships, etc. Adjust the parameters using the optimization techniques. Then third part is the generation part, generation phase or generation part. The user provides the input called prompt, and then this model predicts the most possible outcome based on these learning patterns. Then output is generated in real time. These are the example. Text prompt converted into numbers, numbers processed by AI model, numbers decoded to generate the image, and all new image is created. There are so many generative models. For example, neural networks inspired by human brain, and then generative adversarial networks, cons, called as cons, Two networks are together, generator and discriminator. It's used for realistic image generation, con networks. And then last one is the transformers. Use the attention mechanisms. It's handled with the large text generation efficiently. Example, transformer model. Then large language models also trained. Generative AI tools, ChatGPT, TAL-E, GitGap, etc. And then generative AI functions. It's a from information retrieval, language translation, text summarization, writing the content writing assistant, and the conversational assistant, and then also content generation. These are the AI functions. Then advantages, many applications, in many applications. So we have to using AI how to write content creations, problem solving and personalization, and creativity writing, art and designs. Generative AI disadvantages, they are the privacy, some of the privacy concerns, job displacement, and also using misplacement of misusage of images, bank details. Then generative AI consideration, accuracy, ethics, transparency, and accountability. Then also limitations, the lack of common sense, bias, and inaccuracy. There is an activity, we use the 3 lines of a short story, and then create a slogan for a product, and write a simple poem in 4 lines. Generative AI performs the following functions. So how did you generate this, and how would generative AI generate this? So this is the classroom activity. So we identify the which generative model used, explain in use case, and mention on advantages and limitations. Then conclusion, generative AI represents the major shift in artificial intelligence by enabling the machines to create and in just analyze, not just analyze. While it offers so many applications across industries, responsible and ethical use is essentials. The future of AI lies in human AI consideration, not replacement. Thank you.